To repair the valve on the water tank, you need to remove it from the fridge first, and you can then unscrew the valve like so. I'll tell you later in the video what you shouldn't do. Unfortunately, it's what I did. Now you can either replace it simply by purchasing one on one of the usual sites, or you can take it apart and see if you can repair your original one. Now very carefully remove the grommet. That will mean that you can take it apart quite easily. There you can check the spring. I doubt if it made much difference. It looks fairly springy. Now this part here, you have the rubber seals. You can remove the inner part by using a screwdriver. Just be careful not to damage any of the parts. So as you can see, you can take the inner part out and just check to make sure that the seals look okay. On this particular one, it looks okay. You can see there's a rather large grommet there. Now the main problem with any of these particular valves is that you don't know when it's dripping until it's too late. So I'm just now going to put it back together. It looks okay. I'm just going to check to make sure these parts are alright, and if they are, then I'm going to clean the inside and the outside. Now the place where I am, it is quite hard water, so alarm scale does build up if you're using tap water. So just make sure it's clean. I use simply warm soapy water, and that should be sufficient. So when you've cleaned it, make sure there isn't any alarm scale inside or out. And you've checked it to make sure that it looks okay, it's not damaged. Then you can start putting it back together. Now what I said earlier about what you shouldn't do, which is what I did, and that was to put it into boiling hot water, and unfortunately the plastic distorted and didn't work correctly. Now you'll need to refit the grommet. Make sure it's on correctly. Now what I would recommend is to, when you fit it back onto the tank, is to fill it up with water to the top and then test it out. So thank you for watching. Please help my channel by sharing, liking and subscribing.